Hey guys, how's it going? I'm just heading off to the off-grid. More out of curiosity than anything else. I had this really weird thought last night about the structure. Um, so I'm gonna go out there because I'm curious about something. Mainly, it's been raining all day. It's a terrible day. I probably won't get much work done. Um, but curiosity killed the cat. There's something out there I just want to check, and I'll keep you updated as I go. But first, I gotta get out there, and then we'll look at the situation and see if what I'm thinking is actually a possibility. All right, see you soon. Well, guys, I was hoping that beam was in good shape, but it split right in the middle, for one thing. And the other side doesn't have a beam. It's just got a couple 2x4s strapped together. So I was hoping if that beam was good, I could brace it up and then put boards across this way to be up there to take the roof down. But that is not going to happen like that. So I have to figure something else out. Okay, well, I got a little bit done. So it wasn't going to do much, but yeah, I did quite a bit. So that's not bad. Next time I come out, I'll try to get the rest of this half done, and we'll figure it out from there. And I got some more of that tree taken out. So, not too bad, I guess.